This look like it would be in LA or something.
To LA?
Yeah.
Nice. Like this. Dope. Real dope. I like it. This is like a pantry. Yeah, this is a pantry. I love these colors. They did their thing with this one.
Which way?
Let's go to the downstairs, see what they got. I don't know what it's supposed to be. Nice. This is fly. What we got here? What kind of rooms around here? Check out the faucet. That's fly. That's dope. With the, I guess this is oh, this is a bedroom. No, it's not a bedroom. I don't know what you would put there, but maybe shoes?
Seemed like a YouTuber house.
Yeah, I guess. I don't like this, but damn, $1.5 million?
It don't seem bad. I mean, maybe.
Money, boy. To be in the, I mean, I don't know.
Neighborhood. Or
We can go downstairs after. Well, no, the neighborhood is downtown basically, so it's not the neighborhood. It's just like, I don't know if you'll ever be able to get your money back if you spend it much. That's what I'm saying. You in? Oh, I'm about to say, no, it's upstairs.
like you know
Well, we wouldn't know because it's a secret.
how no, like I was like camouflage. Like
Oh, so the wife said,
seeing one of them houses like they got bookshelf leading into like a room or something.
yeah, let's go upstairs. Look at the lights on the steps.
Nice.
You see it? There we go. That's super dope.
Got the McQueens on.
The Queens! Ooh, look at you. Think you up on fashion. Alright.
This is nice.
Hell yeah. This is bro, look at the bed, look at the shower.
See, this is what I mean. This is like a
Modern, this is what you talking about? Modern. That's your favorite word. Modern. That. We need to get a modern. We need to see some modern houses. Yeah, this is dope. Even though this is cheap tile, this is dope. It looks good. Not cheap, I'm just saying, like, for $1 million house, you need marble, not porcelain.
It's not slippery like yours.
I told you why it was slippery. It was dust everywhere. It's the exact same tile, just a different color.
You got it. I can stop my foot on this. Yours, I can slip and slide.
Bro, because it had dust everywhere.
I can't do that on this.
I'm telling you why, it had dust everywhere, man. I'll get a picture in here. Or you need to take a picture. Matter of fact, no, I want a picture outside.
All types of mode. Okay. They even got the seat.
Right.
This is cool.
It's cold. I like this. I like this. Let's see if they got soft clothes. Do the test.
Don't even close.
Extra soft. Them are slow clothes. We be dang.
Wait.
I'm paying you.
I think I remember.
Damn, it's another
We didn't even go in the basement yet.
I know.
Dang.
Yeah, this worth the $1.5 million. I think it's worth.
Just hope you don't get shot up. That's the only.
Well, just don't get shot. Don't be starting no beefs.
It's the only bad thing.
Just don't be starting no beefs. You feel me? That's fly.
People can just watch you though.
Yeah, I don't like that. Like you right off the street. I mean, they building, so it's gonna change. Like it's gonna It's gonna change eventually. All this gonna be nice houses. Like the ones next door is just nice. But this used to be like a ghetto crack house. I'm gonna show you in a minute what it used to look like. Just fly. Look at the blue.
That's nice.
That's fly. You hear
This
me?
might be better than the other one. Look
I
at
think
this.
so. I like the blue.
This is nice.
Look at the mirror. Check me out with the boop. You feel me? Boop. What's this? I don't know. Just like it. That's fly.
It's cool.
Yeah.
Maybe you should do one of those.
With the mirror?
For one of your houses.
$400. I'm flipping $120,000 houses, bro. 150 at the most. I ain't putting all this high tech stuff in there. Now, once I do like a Boston Edison house, I'm gonna really show my chops. You feel me? I like this a lot. I need to show like this one. It's got a bathroom too? Or it's a closet? It's a closet, I guess. There's no
What's the master bedroom? We already. Oh yeah, we seen
I
it.
don't know if we seen it yet.
Oh.
It might be the 3rd floor. This dope. 5 bedrooms, 6 bathrooms.
We ain't even. What's that?
That might be the man. This one nice too, man. They did their thing with the designs on the design tip.
They went crazy.
I like this. This is the kind of shower I want to put in my
Is that a speaker?
bathroom. Where?
That. Well, oh no.
Oh no, that's the shower head. That's the same color I just put on the house we just left.
Oh.
The Strasbourg. It's just gold. I put gold. Bro, I love that floor.
They outdid themselves with this one.
Oh, this is just a line. This is just a utility room. Nigga, look at the furnace room. They what do you call it? Flossed out the furnace room. Look at this dope. This is one of the nicest ones we done seen here. This is probably the night. As far as Detroit, definitely the nicest I've seen. No question. This must be the master here. This the master, bro. No, this ain't the master. Too small. It might be the one we already
Nice
seen.
carpet. It's like all of the bathrooms are nice.
Yeah, they
I
bathrooms.
don't
They
think-
bathroom.
How many bathrooms do they have?
6.
Dang.
Yeah,
So
6.
they just to watch you
I don't
once
know.
again.
For the hot meal, this work. Bro, that's dope.
I mean,
Yeah.
everyone is out here, so
What you mean everyone is out here?
it'd be pretty cool.
Let's go upstairs.
Like everybody I know.
Look at the lights on the steps. That's so dope. Bro, man. It's like a little play area.
It's cool. Oh my, bruh.
Bro! Check out the back.
It's nice. Dang. It is nice.
It's dope.
Hmm?
So it's dope. It's super dope. Got the artwork on it now, Lisa. See the GM building. You about sure you can damn near walk to the MGM. Motor City Casino.
This look like
One of the lions or something in there. Detroit Lions.
another.
Or
Yeah,
Pistons.
we ain't even going in the line.
It's the bathroom. That's it. This bathroom. This is dope.
This one nice.
This dope. That brown and black. My God, this is fly. I would take this idea for sure. Yeah, whoever designed these bathrooms,
I don't think they gonna like you saying you taking all their ideas.
Man, listen, dog. Ideas is meant to be stolen. You feel me?
They're meant to be stolen.
Mark Zuckerberg is buku rich off of somebody else's idea. So is Elon Musk. Most people think he started Tesla. He did not. He bought it and just, enhanced it. This is dope, though. It's dope. Okay.
Now it's time for downstairs.
Right. Downstairs. I don't know. This would be like just a little like an extra bonus room area. Chill, watch the Lions lose. You know what I'm saying? I can't even say it ain't. That's not even a lie. It's not even clickbait. You feel me? The ceiling's a little low. Oh wow, they went with a. Oh, this is I forgot this. This was all. All right. Oh my gosh, look at this basement, bro.
It's nice.
This is fly. This is beyond fly. Look at the water.
If I had the money, I would live here over the West Bloomfield house we seen.
That one was good, but this one is better.
Yeah,
That area is better. This house is better.
Yeah.
Like if this house was in that area, it'd probably be like $10 million.
10 million.
Easy. Cause that house was what, 1.5, and it was outdated. Well, the outside was kind of outdated, but it probably wouldn't be 10 million. It'd be like 6 million. If this was in West Bloomfield. Like this is fly. I need one of these. That's for the hot water. They don't got a tank. They need that. But it's crazy how small it is, but get the water hot. In this big house. Yeah,
The other one, they had like 4 hot water tanks or
I
something.
think these are brick, but they went around them with the drywall to make it look more modern. This is dope though.